Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by restarting both your laptop and the device you want to connect. Power cycling clears temporary glitches in network stacks and wireless drivers promptly. Open Settings and confirm your hotspot is turned on and visible to devices. Check airplane mode is off and the Wi-Fi adapter shows enabled in Device Manager. If visibility fails, change the hotspot name to a simple ASCII SSID and save. Also set a basic WPA2 password and a temporary channel like Channel 6 for testing. Finally, update your wireless drivers from the manufacturer download page if needed. Open Network Settings and enable Mobile Hotspot, then choose the correct source adapter. Make sure the adapter providing internet is sharing that connection via Internet Connection Sharing. Set the hotspot network profile to private so device discovery and file sharing work reliably. Disable any secondary virtual adapters created by VPNs or emulation software while testing. Check that the hotspot uses WPA2 security and a 4-digit or longer password string for compatibility. Reboot networking by disabling and re-enabling the Wi-Fi adapter after changing these sharing options. If problems persist, run a network reset to restore default network stacks and adapter settings. Open command prompt as admin and use netwinsock reset if TCP issues remain. Temporarily disable VPNs and third-party firewalls to ensure they are not blocking tethering traffic. Test hotspot using a direct USB tether connection to rule out Wi-Fi radio faults. Check carrier data allowances and any operator hotspot device limits before assuming hardware failure. If hardware still fails, contact the laptop maker for a driver rollback or a hardware wireless module replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.